Very to solve, very difficult, right? There are mantras to get people out of jail. We have helped many political prisoners, get out and stay out of jail, and things of that nature. Okay, and I'm not going to go into names or whatever, but believe you me, we have done it. You see that? Okay, people, not everybody who has been in jail, because some people did the crime and have to do the time. But we get an amelioration, okay, if warranted, if they're truly, remorseful and so forth, we get an amelioration for the misdeed. You with me? For the, you think about it, any cancer, any type of illness, insight, because, talent and intuition is what built Egypt, okay? And we want to rebuild, okay, the African, greatness. What made us great is not melanin, okay? What makes us great, okay, is the knowledge of awakening the powers in our spirit. Because the Spirit of God is what built the entire universe and everything in it. And man's spirit is a microcosmic version of God, the macrocosm. So everything that God can do, you can do, on your own level. A drop of water has the same life-giving properties, the same properties, electromagnetic properties as the water in the ocean. You with me? You can sail ships in the ocean, of course not in a drop of water, but that drop of water has the same qualities as the ocean. You, my beloved, God made you in His own likeness, a divine being. But you have to learn the laws of your spirit, live by them, live in harmony with them, and then now learn the nuts and bolts of how your spirit is composed. And like a scientist working in the laboratory, splitting genes to create genetically modified entities and to put the genes to work to manifest things in the laboratory. Like scientists working with specific chemicals and forces to produce wonderful things like television and rockets and computers or whatever, okay, you too can work with the faculties of your spirit and your psyche and put them to work so that you can achieve your goal at will, in harmony. And we say to God, thank you for making us a divine being. Peace and blessings to all of you.